Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry, where we send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. And let's look at the euro pound. Okay, now this is something I want to show you guys. Now you can see, guys, since what's the date here? Well, actually, right around this range here, you can see, which is about mid-December, December 14th, we're showing that this price line at 184 on the euro pound has been a very strong resistance point. You can see that price was fighting here, the bears and the bulls fighting back and forth whether they could break. The bulls, which means the people that are looking for long positions, buy opportunities, could not sustain the amount of sellers forcing the price down. So price came down, it's come down. You can see that there's a range here. See this mini range? We've traded this range. You can see a deeper range here, and then you see a range here. Let me go back to my pointer. You see how price has kind of steadily moved up this trend line. So what you have is the lows, low, 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 low. The lows are actually climbing up higher, right? So ultimately, this trend line, we're going to see this thing. Let's see if I can move this thing out here. We would expect this trend line to continue going like this. All right. So what happens is you have, but the 8400 has continued to hold. So we just now, over the last few minutes, entered a short position on this pair. I do believe it was at 83.96 range. So we are short this pair, and we're expecting the price to break back down, and we'll close at that position in a profit. But as you can see, this price is going to squeeze. If it continues along the same pattern, and what I mean by a pennant pattern is, if you've ever been to a baseball game, people wave those little flags around, the little pennants, where the top is straight and then the bottom of the pennant is at an angle, and that's what you're seeing. What happens is the range was wider and wider, it's getting smaller and smaller. Ultimately, it's going to have to do something around here. It's going to have to eventually break out to the north or to the south. So, and then at that point, we will be trading this pair in a different range. So, I just want to give a quick explanation because we had a couple customers ask about what a pennant pattern was. And so anyway, this is what we're trading right now. We're trading the bottom, and as soon as we get closer in here, we're going to start accumulating our buy positions here, sell positions here. As price can, if this trend line continues to hold, however, we are going to be looking for more short opportunities because of the strong resistance point we have at 8400. So anyway, so that's just a quick market update video, and if you have any questions, be sure to email support, and I'll be glad to take care of you. And in the meantime, we'll look at a couple of other trades that we're in right now as well. We actually went short the Aussie dollar at somewhere up in this range at 172.22, and we were up almost 50 pips on that trade. In fact, we set a target for this trade to come all the way down to 65.50. It came to 65.54. So we didn't get closed out at our profit target. Of course, if you manage your trade correctly and you saw that opportunity, you should have already closed that trade. But I never sent out a signal for that, so we're not going to include that as part of our trade portfolio. We went short the USD yen right around this range, expecting it to continue in the range that was already in. And what we had was a breakout, and so now we're in like a mini consolidation. The market's trying to determine whether it's going to drop back down or if it's going to continue going up. So our stop loss is up here at the red line. We did change this trade so that we change our stop loss to our open because we are expecting this thing to dip back down. I'm hoping this thing dips back down, takes us out of our trade, and if it's going to go back up. So the goal here is, of course, to protect your downside. We entered this trade here at 1.2061. So we are up currently about 20 pips on this trade. This is a slower moving currency pair, the Euro Swissy, but it is very predictable, and you can take some nice scalps on the market on this pair. In fact, I may change my strategy on this pair, and we may just start closing out with a little 20 pip runs on a daily basis on this for a little while. Let's see, anything else? Nope, I think that's it. So anyway, folks, that's it for today's market update, and we'll talk to you later. Now, folks, if you've not already signed up for one of our free Forex webinar trainings, I highly suggest that you do that now. A lot of the information that you're finding in our videos is covered in much greater detail in our webinars. It doesn't matter where you're at as a trader, whether you're a professional trader who's been trading for 20 or 30 years, or if you're brand new, you've never heard of Forex. The information in our webinars is going to help steer you in the right direction and show you how to be profitable as a trader, how to protect yourself from loss, and how to make Forex trading fun and profitable for you. So here's where you want to go. You want to go to tradeadvisorpro.com/Forex, okay? So register now and sign up for our free Forex webinar at tradeadvisorpro.com/Forex. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.